discover our 7G300 high-performance injectors. They stand for absolute safety and efficient conveying and mixing of two media. Our design is based on the law of Bernoulli, or the Venturi principle. A gaseous medium is used for the actuator. It escapes at high pressure and high speed from the nozzle. During this process, the medium from the surrounding area is also drawn along and can be supplied to the downstream production process. Our injectors are robust, reliable and require no maintenance. They are available in the materials PP, PVDF and PFA. In the thread sizes 1/8, 1/4 and 3/8 of an inch, and withstand a maximum pressure up to 10 bar at 20 degrees Celsius. They are available with female thread or with male threads. This latest generation of injectors was developed in cooperation with Mannheim University of Applied Science. The aim was to reduce the propellant requirements, increase the intake volume flow and make the design more compact. We have succeeded. Thanks to the new two-piece design with the integrated sealing collar, our 7G300 injectors do not require an O-ring and still are 100% leakage-free, even when highly aggressive media are used. In addition, we were able to double the intake volume flow and reduce the propellant gas consumption by 30% compared to the predecessor. My name is Sören Münzer, and at emtechnik we work together to provide a consistent solution for your application.